beauties, welcome, what's popping, welcome back to a brand new video on my channel. So in today's video we'll be doing some Kylie Jenner inspired nails. If you want to see how I did them, please continue watching. So the first thing I'm showing you is the colors that I'll be working with in today's video. I will link them on screen. I wanted the colors to have some resemblance but not that much of a resemblance. So the first color that I'll be going in with is Rusty Orange from Lush. This is a local brand, and I'll go in with that on the half of the nail, and then I will feather that down onto the nail, and I will repeat this motion with the orange. So I place the orange just about the same place that I place the Rusty Orange, and I will feather the color down onto the nail, and I will go back and forth between each colors, ensuring that the nails ombre well. So when you're doing this type of ombre, or any form of ombre, I think it is, like, you want to overlap the first color that you went in with. So I overlapped with the orange, and then I will take a small amount of the Rusty Orange and place it over that orange, and I'll do the same thing until I get the color that I want in between both of these colors.
Won't leave my mind. When I'm with you, yeah, nothing really matters. Don't need money or time. I got feelings, I got those feelings. I got feelings, I got those feelings. I got feelings, I got feelings, I got these feelings. Those feelings, I got feelings, I got those feelings. These feelings. There is a place where you can run free. Time does not exist. Take a chance when the road before us falls under our face. I can't hold on. I can't remain so strong. We have the same old bond, but everything is gone. My love is gone, but I've been born. I can't make it on my own. When I'm alone, my love is gone. My love is gone, but I've been born. I can't make it on my own. When I'm alone, my love is gone. My love is.
So now I'll go in with peaches and cream to create my smile line. If you guys want to know how to get the most perfect smile line ever with minimal filing, I will link that video in my iCards about, so you guys can go ahead and check it out. This is a lifesaver, a life changer, a lot of stuff. You hear? It changes people's life. So I'll link it in the iCards and also in the description down below, so you guys can definitely go and check it out.
Can't run free, time does not exist. Take a chance when the road before us falls under our face. I can't hold on, I can't remain.
So now I'll go ahead and use my emery board to straighten up my smile line even better, because the application that I did previously was good. After doing this, I will then go ahead and encapsulate the nail. If you guys want to know the tea on how to get that perfect smile line, I'm not going to start promoting myself. So yeah, I will link it in the iCards above and also in the description below if I remember. And after I did the encapsulation, I will then go ahead and file the nails.
lost track of time, don't know how to feel, but I'm not sorry. I'm lost in your eyes, are you even real? But don't you worry, I'm not looking for the one. No, I just wanna have some fun. So let's get drunk tonight, 'cause fuck how we feel. But for now.
So after the filing portion is through, now we're going in with the nail art portion. So I kind of owed you this nail design, to be honest with you, especially on that pinky finger. I just owed you it. I went overboard. Okay, so I mixed a few colors. I tried my best to replicate the colors that I use with the acrylic, but it never happened, but it still turned out good. I'm using my dotting tool to create the variations of the dot, because you want to go from big, medium, small, tiny. So I use the smallest dotting tool that I had to create that illusion, and I think I only use one part of the dotting tool. For the other part, I didn't use the finest part as much, so I'll go ahead and use the bigger part of the smaller dotting tool to create the dots onto the nail. And as I gradually go up, the product will then begin to, be less, and the finer it becomes. So this is the reason why I did not need to use the finer part of the dotting tool unless I needed to do so. So I'll repeat this on all the nails, and after doing that, I'll cure between each finger. I'll flash cure for about 10 to 30 seconds each, and after doing that, I'll go in with my matte top coat, give that a generous coating so I didn't have to go in with a second application, and I cured that for 60 seconds. These nails were bomb. These nails were bomb. The aesthetic of the nail is just simple, but it had a great effect. So after the nails are matte, now I'm going in with my cuticle oil, placing that in the cuticle area, and then I'll massage it, and after doing that, I will reveal these nails to you. It was quite an interesting nail set. I liked it. It was different. It's a statement piece. So if this is the very first time here on my channel and you like this type of videos, definitely subscribe to my channel. Also follow me on my socials, that's Instagram and TikTok, and I'll definitely see you guys in the next video.